Hi everyone, I'm Chef Vanessa and I'm back with a chocolate kit. Let's take a look inside. Here you will find all the tools that you need. I am so excited to create my own chocolates. Today, let's make the strawberry and cream lollipops. According to the shopping list, we need to get chocolate melts and jam. It's important to gather all of your ingredients first. It makes creating the recipe so much easier. And the checklist helps you know what you already got and what you still need to get. I got all of my ingredients. Now it's time to gather my tools. The recipe card is so easy to read, and the pictures show exactly what I need. Now that I got everything I need, it's time to flip to the back to read the recipe. Step 1 is to melt the chocolate. You may need a parent for this part. Once the chocolate is melted, add your jam. Use the spatula to mix it together. It comes together very quickly and looks something like this. Step 2 is scooping into molds. Make sure to fill your molds all the way to the top. This part is super satisfying. Now we add the sticks. Make sure the stick gets covered by the mixture. Step 3 is putting them in the refrigerator. Okay, they're ready. Carefully remove them from the mold. I can't wait to try them. I know they will be delicious. Yep, I was right. They are so yummy. And when you make a yummy treat, you must share with others. And my brother likes them too. These turned out so pretty. I know you're gonna love making them just like I do. And you can make extras to store for later. I had so much fun sharing this kit with you. I hope you will join me next time to explore another amazing kit. But right now it's time to put everything back neatly into the box. This way all my tools are ready for next time when I'm ready to make another yummy recipe and be the chocolate master. Chef Vanessa is signing off for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.